So we have discussed all the major things we should know about the Microsoft Excel. So let us now start to working in it. Let me take an example of a school teacher who is trying to make a mark sheet of the students. So let me take an example of in a school like ABC school and place name. Let us take that X, Y or Z. So now as you can see that the XYZ is in the column number B, so don't worry about that. We will fix it later. Okay, so this is the school name. Let it remain in the first row itself. Okay, so now starting the second row, let me take here the serial number or the roll number of the students. Like let me enter the roll number of the students. Okay, so in the next column we will add the name or the date of birth. Let us take date of birth, and the same thing is happening here. As you can see that the birth is coming in the next column. So this is not this is not coming in the next column, it is in the column B, but it is, if you select the column C or write something in column C, then you will see a magic here. For example, if I write here name of a student, then you can see this, the birth is hidden beside the name. So what is does it's simply overlap each of these, and I will explain you this all things later. First let me make the basic layout of the table. The names of student and the marks in the subjects like in maths or in science and in English. Okay, that's enough. Now here we can do the total, and here we can take out the percentage. Okay, percentage. So let us now fix the overlapping problem. So you can fix it by clicking on just one if you are having problems like the school name is ABC school XYZ. So how to fix it? You have to just move your mouse cursor at the position where two columns meet. For example, if you can see that my mouse cursor is in between the column A and column B, the mouse cursor automatically changes. So you have to double click on this and just drag and drop at the position where you want. Okay, so as you can see that the problem has solved. There's another way to solve this. You can just select the amount of columns you want to select and then click in any of the one. If I click, if you can see that all are adjusted, but here an problem is there, that you can see an column is left untouched, or you can say that nothing is written. So what to do with this? You can easily just delete them all and start writing from here, or you can delete the whole column. To delete the whole column, you have to just click on the delete and delete sheet column. Now you can see that the column is deleted, and it will automatically move the columns besides. Okay, so now make this more attractive. You can also merge the centers of this column. Like I have selected a particular range, now I have to merge the centers. So I will just click on the merge and center in the home tab. If I just click it, and it, as you can see that the ABC school XYZ is shown very attractive, or will be very much good looking now. So now let me tell you more about this afterwards. So let's get started entering. So let me start roll number from roll number 1, and then roll number 2, and till the next last roll number I have to enter. Or I can just do one thing, that if I just select this 1 or 2 roll number and then double click at the corner and just drag and drop, so how much student entries you want, you can do that. So for example, if I want to do only 10 students, then I will see that here, okay, till here. So as you can see that all things are now done properly. For example, if you will write like, if there are many students, for example if there are hundreds of students in a class, what a teacher will do, he will just make write of 1 to 100 countings, or just do the copy paste. But this is the best way to do so. Now date of birth, the same thing will happen with the date of birth. You can write here 1, then 1 2, and let me write 2020. And if you write in the same manner in the next one, like if I write here 3 and 3 3 2020, okay, the date will change. Now let me select both the cells and just drag and drop. Now you will see that all the basic things are here. For example, let me tell you in details. If I will write like 1 2 20 3 3 2020, or in the same manner till the end, so it will take a lots of time. Or if I will just copy and paste it, or just drag and drop the cursor, it will automatically fill the dates. If you want, you can do so, or you can also change the dates. Now let me write the name of the students. I am choosing just the random names, like first one is Ankit, and then Palak. The next one can be Rohan. I am just choosing the random names, so you can choose anyone. Shyam and Mohan. Then the another one can be Pinky and Ashish. Or you can choose about Ram, or you can also choose Anil, and last one can be anything you want. Let me choose the Yash. Okay, so these are the names of the students. And now marks in math, let us give the random marks. 98 in the science, 85 in English, 99, and total we will do later. So now let us give a marks in to Palak. Okay, let us think that these are marks are from 100, out of 100 these marks. So let us give in science also. And when you will give the total marks, then we will do the sum and the percentage of the students marks. Now let us do the totaling of the marks. So there are many ways you can add the whole marks. So let us discuss one by one about all of them. So first one is, you can use the simple formula. the whole of the Microsoft Excel formulas are starting from is equal to sign. Is equal to, I am adding, so is equal to sum, and then bracket, and you can select the number of cells you want to add. So I have just selected 3 cells which I have to add. This will become a range, as I have told you earlier. Now you have to just press the enter key and it will add up whole of the range. Now the second way, which is a bit more easier way, so you have to just select the range, a particular range you want to add up. Then you have to just click on the auto sum, which you will find in the home page or tab. You have to just click on the auto sum and it will automatically add up, or you can do it one by one, or just another way is just you have to select whole of the range you want to add up and then press on auto sum. It will automatically add up your data. Or you can do another thing that you before that, let me undo this, and you can just select the applied formula and just drag and drop till the end, and as you can see that the whole of the information is now added up. Now you can take out the percentage of the students. So now let's get started with this. To take out the percentage, you have to do the is equal to sign and the total marks. So total marks are 282, and let us divide this number by 300 and multiply it by 100. Now enter, and the total number of percentage is 94 percentage. So you can just drag and drop till the end from the corner, and you will see the whole of the percentage are calculated. Now let me do the last one also. So the table is completed.